Hi partners, I'm Michelle, Ifiok's executive assistant in charge of partnerships and affiliate management. We are really excited to bring you a product that your subscribers are going to absolutely love because it solves the biggest problem for anyone looking to sell anything online, which in turn opens up a big opportunity for anyone looking to make money selling a service that now falls under the category of essential services, especially for businesses looking to move online. Yes, I am talking about copy. No matter what you are trying to sell online, you need a good and high-converting copy for everything. Want to get leads? You need exciting ad copies. Want to sell something? You need high-converting sales copies. Want to keep your audience engaged? You need super informative blogs. Want a professional website? You need highly engaging web content. Want to sell to international clients? You need a high-converting copy in more languages than just English. Do you see how big an opportunity this could open up for someone running a copywriting agency? What we are bringing to the market will help anyone looking to create a powerful passive income by starting a six-figure copywriting agency without any technical or writing skills and experience. Let me present to you Copyblocks. Copyblocks is a futuristic, self-writing, AI-based app that helps you build and run a professional copywriting agency business, completely hands-free. Within just minutes of logging in, users can generate a high-converting copy using built-in advanced marketing technologies like ADA and PAS. No other tool in this market uses such advanced technologies. Copyblocks creates a guaranteed-to-convert copy in less than 60 seconds that helps users to generate leads, nurture leads, turn leads into customers, and skyrocket their sales and profits. Copyblocks gives you total control over your copy. You can set the tone of your copy and even translate it in over 100 languages in just one click. Copyblocks is going to help your clients write high-converting ads, sales pages, blogs, and other such content that is crucial for the survival and growth of their business. Not just that, the free commercial license that's included turns Copyblocks into a money-making machine for your clients because they can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by an AI. On this page, you will see the full details of this offer and why your subscribers will bite off your hands when you offer it to them. The funnel is optimized to make you huge commissions, as every upgrade is a perfect complement to the front end. So go down below and check the rest of the details. Make sure to sign up and request your affiliate link today. Myself, Ifiok, Snap Labs, and the Copyblocks team look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard.